Lay back, lay back. Right there, just sign right there. Okay. Sign your name.
Jimmy.
Right there. You signed it the wrong way. Sign it this way. There you go. There you go.
Right here. Here, just.
I'm not saying he does.
No, sign it.
sign it.
Sign it right here.
Yeah, why right there?
Because that's where the line is, dumbass.
No, it's not. There.
Good.
Alright. Okay, whatever that is.
Lay back, mouth open.
I don't want to do this.
Come on.
Test number 1.
No.
Do it. Open. Open. Don't swallow. Don't swallow.
I'm like, what?
Lay down. Lay down. Hold him.
Hold him.
Hold him. Hold him. Just lay back. Lay back. No. Just lay back. Lay back. I'll give you a towel when we're done. This shit's gonna be all over his clothes.
I heard that.
Lay down. Lay down.
It almost smells minty fruit.
Back. Lay back.
Wait. You want me to die? Wait.
No, I'll give you a towel when we're done. Just go get him a towel.
And some water.
Yes, sir.
Don't swallow. Don't swallow. Do not swallow.
When swallow this shit will kill you.
Just lay back. Okay. It's not a liquid. Don't swallow. Don't swallow.
The wizard clean.
This feels like
Oh shit.
it feels like underwear.
Okay, wait. You wanna know everything we put in
Clean
your mouth?
underwear.
What? I bet you put dog
Show
shampoo.
everyone dead. This was number 1.
Don't swallow.
This was number 2.
I like number 2 better.
Number 3.
Wick.
Take it. Number 4, pair of Chelsea's underwear. I put it in on the dick side. I put the dick side right in your mouth.
Fuck it.
They're all.
Go.
Oh man.
What are we doing?
Fuck out. Fuck out.